All right, so first question is how you spell Jeep? Oh, no way!
Did I really mess
No,
that up?
no way! Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here and you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But today, guys, we're gonna be cleaning up the car because as you can see, there's bugs, there's bird poop everywhere. They've just been absolutely on my car. You can see here and everywhere. So it's a beautiful day out, so we're gonna go ahead and go wash the car. And then we also have a few other things that we need to do. So I had a video planned yesterday and I posted on Instagram that I was filming a banger, but yeah, I drove around for like 5 hours. It didn't end up working out with the idea. So I might put one clip here from that video. So if I do, it'll cut to that now. All right, so first question is how you spell Jeep? Oh, no way!
Did I really mess that up?
No way! Oh my
no,
God. All
no,
right, I'll give you another shot.
J-E-E-T.
All right, then there's 5, okay? You know how hard it is to find people to give money to? There's 5. We're gonna go ahead and wash the car. And then we have a few other things that we need to do, like a new wiper blade for the back here, which I don't even know how you get that off or change it, so that's gonna be funny to watch me do. And then down here with this rattling plate, we're gonna have to look into fixing that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start driving and head to wash this car because it's dirty and yeah, let's just do it. One of the best things about this car is just being able to be at a red light and do that, and
It'd be like Stradman and be like, we go bye-bye.
but we have to slow down because there's always cops over here. So we're gonna be good and just slow it down just a little bit. All right, so I'm not gonna record outside here just because it's super loud. There's vacuums and stuff like that. But I have the GoPro set up here, and we'll get some cool shots with that. Maybe we'll hook it up and stick it to the window outside and spray it or something. I don't know. But there's gonna be some cool shots, so let's hit some B-roll now. Now that it's kind of clean, we're gonna go ahead and go on to our next mission for today, which is to go get wiper blade. So yeah, hopefully we got some cool B-roll there. I don't know what happened, but fairly clean now. Now it's time to go and on to our next mission. So I will catch up with you when I get there.
2 hours later.
All right, so we got some nice water spots here that I should probably wipe off quick, but you can see here that this is just flopping. It's just, yeah, it's flopping there. So we gotta get one new one of these. I think it's a 22-inch or something like that. So 12-inch? I think it's a 12-inch one. There's a spider hanging on. How did he even get there? I just washed the car. But yeah, so we gotta run inside to the wonderful Walmart here and find one of those. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm stupid. It says Grand Cherokee 2018, and then it says R12A, which is this guy here apparently. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just assume that this will work, and if not, I mean, it is always Walmart and I could just return it, I guess. So yeah, let's get it. And of course, water, because we always have to hydrate. I don't say it anymore, so you guys probably don't drink water, but yeah, you gotta make sure you hydrate. We got some smart water, you know, not the best, but it is what it is. What a beautiful day to drive a Jeep, huh? Ooh, shiny, finally clean. Ooh-wee. Yeah, if you guys are wondering about your rear wiper blade, it should be a R12A according to these Rain-X ones. So yeah, it was like 10 bucks or something. I don't know. I'm not even gonna count this as like a cheap mod or anything like that, like some of the videos I'll do. But yeah, this one's just, I'm just kind of taking care of errands today. That's one of the things I had to do. So I'm bringing you guys along. So now we gotta go ahead and fix that and fix the rattle. So we got a little bit more to do today, but we got some water, so that's good, I guess. I just realized that it's currently 3:30 and I haven't eaten, so it's gonna be a smoothie kind of day. So if you know, you know. If not, then you guys should find out. It's damn good. If you guys don't know about Tropical Smoothie Cafe, they got the kiwi quencher. Fantastic. Like, they even wrote a smiley face. Oh, they want me. That's crazy. All right, we can't forget our smoothie here, obviously. Absolutely fantastic. Yep, that's the one. All right, we got our Rain-X thing here. We gotta try and figure this out. You guys know I'm extremely stupid, but we're gonna just go for it and see if we can figure out how to pop this off, because it's kind of an interesting thing here. So let me set up the camera and try and figure this out, because this guy's gotta go on, that guy's gotta come off. Wait, it's gotta flip, hold on. All right, it's way simpler than I thought. This thing flips up. Look at this. If you guys have never done your wiper blades in the back, then you probably don't know either. But yeah, this thing just flips right up, and then you can just flip it up, and then apparently this flips up like this somehow, and then yeah, it comes out. So yeah, let me figure that part out. But what? Yeah, so it's like this, and you just pull it, and it just comes off. It's this whole piece. Look at that, and then you just, and then you grab this one, and then it should just kind of do the reverse. Like that. Wait, like that? And then that? And then, is it really that easy? All right, that's super easy. Wow. So if you guys haven't done that and yours is flopping like mine was, then yeah, it's way easier than I thought it was. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully you understood how to do that. Yeah, you just flip this up. There we go. Flip that up, and then you flip this up and pull it out, and then do the reverse, and you're good to go. Wow, that's actually so easy. All right, now we got to try and take this off and put this little plate cover on to it. So that's the next step. So I had previously had this cover. You guys might remember if you haven't seen that video. It's one of my older ones. It's kind of awful, actually. You might not want to even watch it, but I had this like cover that's like a plate cover that I got when I first got the Jeep. It's like a silicone thing for the Rattle. You guys were saying to use one of these, but I don't think it works with this. So we're gonna have to see here once I remove it. And I, of course, have a trusty screwdriver in my back pocket at all times. Just in case I need to remove my plate, or I guess that sounds kind of criminal. I guess I don't need to remove my plate, but so you see we got this like cover thing that goes on here, and it's like, it's gonna stop the rattling. I know because I did it before, but I don't think this is gonna work with this, because you have to, it like clicks in. I don't know. I'm just gonna try and screw it on and see if it'll just kind of suck to it maybe. Ooh, suck to it? I don't know, but we'll see if it'll work and be able to kind of just click on, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so when I first got the little tinted plate covers, I said this probably wouldn't work, and then didn't even try. So yeah, it actually just works, and it just clicks right on. I mean, it doesn't click on, but it screws right on, and it just kind of presses into the rubber. But you can see here that it's on, and it's tinted, and yeah, it's got the rattle proof piece on it. So yeah, this will be linked in the top of the description if you guys are looking for it. This little silicone plate cover, it does work with the tinted plate covers, which will also be linked in the top of the description, along with Lifestyle as usual. So yeah, those two things are done. The car's washed. I don't think there's really much more that I have to do today. I'd say we're doing a good job. I mean, it's 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock right now. So yeah, we're doing a pretty good job. All right, guys, I think that's everything that I have to do to the Jeep for today. You know, I still got my smoothie, of course, still drinking it. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, or you got any information from it, or any entertainment, it was kind of just a vlog style video today, just, you know, trying to incorporate that a little bit more with the Jeep. But yeah, we got the plate covers on and everything. So if you did enjoy it or got any information, make sure you smash that like button down below. Of course, it helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps out the channel, and of course, it helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys comment down below your favorite smoothie. If you guys go to Tropical Smoothie or wherever, what's your favorite smoothie? Let me know. If you guys made it this far, though, you guys are a real one, of course. And if you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below right now. Be notified when new videos go live. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. It's the most comfortable shirts I own, and pretty much the most comfortable hoodies as well. I really like the quality. I stand by my own brand. But that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. I feel like I am losing